In today's technical programs, students want more than just theory. They want to understand how real engines work. Yet students are arriving in class with less and less hands-on experience. But don't worry, we hear you, the instructors, when you tell us they need to build and practice their manual dexterity. But you face a problem. Modern engines are complex, fragile, and not designed to be opened up, explored, or rebuilt over and over again. And tool management, consumable costs, and space make it really unthinkable for many schools. We all remember the first time we tore something apart, down to nuts and bolts, put it all back together, and got it to run again. That feeling, that intrinsic motivation, that's what we really want to create for your students. When students can't take apart an engine, they miss out on the core mechanical skills that define future technicians. Schools need a training engine that is safe, durable, and built for repeated hands-on learning. At Consulab, we understand this challenge. For decades, we've built durable, realistic training solutions that empower students to learn by doing, safely, confidently, and with industry-standard tools and practices. So we created the EM-045 student-built one-cylinder engine based on a Honda GX35 4-stroke overhead cam engine that has been modified and redesigned for education purposes. Students can disassemble, measure, rebuild, adjust valves, verify timing, inspect ignition, measure clearances, and even start the engine, all in a compact, ultra-safe training platform built for classroom use and long-term durability. Hands-on, real-world learning. Every EM-045 includes a complete toolkit with everything that you need. Sockets, feeler gauges, torque wrench, spark plug socket, syringes, a puller tool, everything needed to follow OEM-style service procedures step by step, designed for repetition. Every high-risk zone is protected by removable guards. With no consumables or gaskets to replace, the engine is ready for repeat teardown cycles. Day after day. Safe for students, practical for educators. It's a non-interference engine, so regardless of the eventual mistakes when installing the timing belt, there's no catastrophic failure looming over your heads. We've purposely restricted the throttle, so when they try to bounce it off the red line, it won't be so loud. We protected all the hot spots and integrated an emergency stop switch, and it's all engineered to balance realism with safety. Compact and classroom ready. The product is lightweight, portable, and optimized for classroom use. For easy storage and transport, it comes either with a rugged Pelican-style case when sold individually, or in a handy storage cabinet when sold in classroom sets. With the EM-045, students gain true mechanical aptitude. They understand combustion, energy transfer, timing systems, ignition, measurement techniques, and they learn it by working on a real engine. In just 70 minutes, an experienced student can complete a full teardown. Imagine the learning impact when every student can do the same. It's that valuable, real, and practical experience that is going to prepare your students to enter the workforce with the confidence, dexterity, and troubleshooting skills that today's technicians need. If you're ready to give your students the hands-on skills that set them apart, the EM-045 is the perfect place to start. Visit consulab.com or contact us to request a demo, quote, or more information. Thanks for watching.